Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend. Today we are going to activate AI in your Gmail account and Google Docs. By these features you can tell AI to write for text for me. So Google will make a content for you so you can easily use it. So keep watching. In this video you will see a very advanced method on Google search. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open our Google Chrome browser and here you will search WORKSPACE lab sign up. So friend, you will hear, and this is very important thing. First of all, you have Gmail account, then you can access these things. So right now we are going to click on this sign up button and here you will see that sign up to express interest in joining Google Workspace Labs. You first of all read all the things step by step and then you will get three options. You simply click on this check mark button and then you will see that check mark on the check mark. First of all, you just click on this all check marks and then click on this submit button. So friend, you will sign up with this lab sign up. So here you will get one success message. You are in, and now we are going to check it out gmail.com first. So when I type Gmail, so here you will see this is my Gmail account, and now here you will get one pop-up box. So here you will use it. Okay, so simply click on this got it button. So these features will enable for you. So now we are going to click on this compose button and here you will see that one features is showing over here. Simply click on this compose button and friend, here you will see this AI icon. Okay, so here we are going to click on that and simply apply your queries. Okay, so we are going to type something over here. Please write a letter for holiday. So whenever you type over here, then you will get one template where you can easily put in your email. So friend, here you can see that this message is created by this AI, so you can use it. Okay, so we are going to remove these things and ask something else. Write an email for payment collection from the client, and let's see what this will give us. So friend, you can see that this email is ready and you can use it in your work. So friend, this is awesome thing Google is providing us. You can simply use it and make your work fast and efficient. So friend, this is the thing which we want to share with you guys, so you can use AI and AI will write email for you. Now we are going to use this feature in Google Docs. So we are going to simply click on this Google Docs. Simply search it and then open it, and here we are going to go to Google Docs and let's create a new doc. And friend, here you can see when I click over here, then I got this option. You simply click on this got it option and here we are going to make a new thing. Here we are going to type, please write a poem for my kid, and let's see that what Google will give me text. So friend, here you can see that Google make a poem for my kid. This is super thing, you can do that. Okay, you can try anything which you think. Okay, so right now we are going to do something more over here. Okay, so here we are going to click on this help me for right. So what we will do, we are going to make, here we are going to just type a suggestion. Make content for me, how I can manage my time and work, and let's see how Google will give me the information about it. So friend, you can see that Google is giving me a step by step all the things on my computer. So friend, this is an awesome thing you can do. By this way you can make any type of content, AI will generate for you and you can use it in your work. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can enable AI in Google Doc and Gmail. If you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also optimize their work and make efficiency work in their life. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video, and if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below. And what things you like into this video, please suggest me in comment section, so that will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.